Your car should easily last 200,000 miles or more, but most drivers unknowingly destroy theirs before it even hits 50,000. It's not bad luck, it's bad habits. Habits that slowly kill your engine, transmission, and everything in between. So today, I'm exposing 11 car-killing habits that mechanics see every single day. And if you fix them now, your car will last twice as long. Let's dive in. Number 11. Warm up your car. Wrong during winter. Starting your car and immediately flooring it is like running a marathon with no warm-up. Cold oil is thick, and it takes time to circulate through the engine. Starting to drive too soon can cause extra wear on engine parts. This can reduce your car's performance and shorten its lifespan over time. Allowing a brief warm-up helps the oil flow smoothly and the engine reach a safe operating temperature. It also ensures better fuel efficiency and smoother driving. Just give your engine 30 to 60 seconds to stabilize before driving off. It's such a small habit, but it extends your car's life massively. Number 10. Lugging the engine. Lugging the engine happens when you drive at low speeds in a high gear, forcing the engine to work harder than it should. This puts unnecessary stress on engine components and can cause knocking or vibration. Over time, lugging reduces fuel efficiency and can damage the pistons, bearings, and crankshaft. It also leads to carbon buildup, which affects engine performance. To prevent this, drivers should shift to a lower gear when the engine struggles or feels weak. Keeping the engine within its proper RPM range ensures smoother operation and longer life. Avoiding engine lugging helps maintain your car's power, efficiency, and reliability. Number 9. Resting your hand on the gear lever. It seems harmless, but resting your hand on the gear shifter actually causes wear. The gear lever is connected to parts inside the transmission, such as selector forks, which are designed to move only during gear changes. Constant pressure from your hand can wear these parts prematurely, leading to shifting problems. It may also cause unnecessary strain on the transmission system. Additionally, keeping one hand on the gear lever means you don't have full control of the steering wheel. Good driving habits require both hands on the wheel for safety and control. Therefore, it's best to keep your hand off the gear lever except when changing gears. Respect the gearbox and it'll shift smooth for decades. Number 8. Leaving the car in the park without handbrake. Leaving your car in park without applying the handbrake is a bad habit that can lead to serious problems. The park position locks the transmission, but it is not meant to hold the entire weight of the vehicle alone. On a slope, the car's weight puts heavy stress on a small part called the parking pawl inside the transmission. Over time, this can cause damage or even failure of that part. The car may also roll slightly, making it hard to shift out of park later. Using the handbrake keeps the car stable and relieves pressure on the transmission. Always engage the handbrake, even on flat surfaces, to ensure safety and prevent costly repairs. Number 7. Running on empty fuel. If you're one of those people who wait until the light blinks to refuel, stop now. Running your car on an empty fuel tank is a risky habit that can harm your vehicle in several ways. When fuel levels are very low, the fuel pump can suck in air and sediment from the bottom of the tank. This can clog fuel filters and damage the pump, which relies on fuel for lubrication and cooling. Driving on empty also increases the risk of your car stalling unexpectedly, which can be dangerous in traffic. It may even cause the engine to misfire due to inconsistent fuel supply. Keeping your tank at least a quarter full helps maintain fuel system health. It's a simple habit that ensures reliability, safety, and smoother performance. Number 6. Ignoring the check engine light. That glowing light on your dashboard isn't there for decoration. It's your car's way of saying, "Something's wrong, fix me before it's too late." Ignoring the check engine light is a common mistake that can lead to serious car problems. The light is a warning from your car's computer that something in the engine or emission system needs attention. Continuing to drive without checking it can worsen minor issues, turning them into costly repairs. It may indicate problems like a loose gas cap, faulty sensors, or engine misfires. Ignoring it can also reduce fuel efficiency and increase emissions. Diagnosing the problem early helps maintain your car's performance and longevity. Paying attention to the check engine light is a simple step to avoid major mechanical failures. Number 5. Skipping oil changes. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. When it's old, it turns toxic. Skipping oil changes is one of the most damaging habits for a car's engine. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps keep the engine cool. Over time, oil gets dirty and loses its effectiveness, causing parts to wear faster. Driving with old or low oil can lead to overheating, reduced performance, and even engine failure. Regular oil changes are a simple and cost-effective way to protect your engine. Ignoring them can result in expensive repairs and shorten the life of your car. Keeping up with scheduled oil changes ensures smooth, efficient, and reliable vehicle operation. Number 4. Ignoring tire pressure. Low tire pressure doesn't just ruin fuel economy, it wrecks your suspension. Ignoring tire pressure can create serious safety and performance issues for your car. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which reduces fuel efficiency and causes uneven wear. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, can lead to a harsher ride and a higher risk of blowouts. Improper tire pressure affects handling, braking distance, and overall vehicle stability. It can also put extra stress on suspension components, leading to premature wear. Regularly checking and maintaining the correct tire pressure ensures better safety and longer tire life. Properly inflated tires also improve comfort, fuel economy, and driving confidence. Number 2. Slamming the gas and brakes. Driving like every street is a racetrack destroys your car's internals. Hard acceleration and sudden braking overheat your engine, transmission, and brakes. It stresses seals, mounts, and fluids beyond design limits. That means your smooth-running car slowly turns into a rattling mess. The key is smooth control, steady throttle, gentle brakes. You'll save fuel, parts, and peace of mind. Drive with skill, not aggression. Your car will reward you. Number 1. Riding the brakes downhill. Holding your foot on the brake pedal during descents seems safe, but it's deadly. That constant pressure overheats your pads and warps your rotors. You'll smell burning before you even notice the damage. Instead, downshift and let your engine do the braking. This reduces heat, improves control, and extends brake life dramatically. Mechanics can tell when someone rides the brakes just by the scorch marks. Remember, smart braking saves both money and metal. There you have it. If you avoid these 11 habits, your car can last 200,000, maybe even 300,000 miles. Drive smart. Your engine, wallet, and future self will thank you.